Welcome to ASVAB Mentor, your calm and confident path to mastering the ASVAB in 2025. Take a deep breath. You're not just preparing for a test, you're preparing for your future. These 20 general science questions are not only meant to help you score higher, they'll help you understand how the world works. And if you're serious about your ASVAB journey, make sure you subscribe to ASVAB Mentor. We break things down slow and clearly so you never feel lost. Let's begin. Parts begin, questions 1 to 20. 1. Which organ helps filter waste from the blood? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Kidneys. Think of the body's natural purifier. Correct answer, C. Kidneys. 2. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosome. It's where energy is made. B. Mitochondria. 3. Which process allows plants to make their own food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Digestion. Sunlight plays a big role here. 4. What do we call the change from liquid to gas? A. Freezing. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. Puddles disappear because of this. Evaporation. 5. Which part of the human body contains the most bones? A. Skull. B. Foot. C. Spine. It's small but packed with structure. B. Foot. 6. Which blood cells fight infection? A. White blood cells. B. Red blood cells. C. Platelets. They're your immune warriors. Correct answer A. White blood cells. 7. Which type of rock forms from magma or lava? A. Sedimentary. B. Igneous. C. Metamorphic. It starts hot and cools into stone. B. Igneous. 8. What force keeps the moon in orbit around Earth? A. Friction. B. Gravity. C. Magnetism. It holds everything in place. B. Gravity. 9. Which gas is essential for human breathing? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon monoxide. Every breath you take. Correct answer B. Oxygen. What does a thermometer measure? A. Air pressure. B. Speed. C. Temperature. Hot or cold? This tool knows. C. Temperature. 11. Which part of the atom carries a negative charge? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. It zips around the nuke electron. 12. What is the main source of energy for the Earth? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. Electricity. It rises every morning. The sun. 13. What tool is used to look at very small objects? A. Microscope. B. Telescope. C. Periscope. Tiny cells become visible with it. Correct answer A. 14. What planet is known for its rings? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Saturn. They're big, beautiful, and icy. 15. Which nutrient builds muscle and repairs tissue? A. Carbohydrates. B. Protein. C. Fats. Think lean meat and legumes. Correct answer B. Protein. 16. What is the center of an atom called? A. Shell. B. Nucleus. C. Electron cloud. It holds protons and neutrons. B. Nucleus. 17. Which organ controls thoughts and movements? A. Brain. B. Heart. Liver. It's your command center. Correct answer A. Brain. 18. What kind of energy is in moving objects? A. Thermal energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Potential energy. Motion means movement. B. Kinetic energy. 19. Which weather tool measures air pressure? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Anemometer. It helps predict storms. A. Barometer. 20. What is the main function of the respiratory system? A. Break down food. B. Pump blood. C. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's all about breathing. C. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Great job. That's 20 questions mastered. You're not just memorizing, you're understanding science like never before. And that's what helps you score big on the ASVAB in 2025. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend. Subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for more calm, clear, and powerful learning. Welcome back to ASVAB Mentor, where we believe slow and steady wins the test. You've already answered 20 science questions, and that's amazing, but we're just getting started. This next set of 20 questions, 21 to 40, will take you deeper into the world of general science, just like what you'll see on the 2025 ASVAB exam. So relax, take your time, and if you haven't already, subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for stress-free test prep made just for you. Part 2, questions 21 to 40. 21. Which organ system breaks down food for energy? A. Circulatory system. B. Digestive system. C. Respiratory system. It begins with your mouth and ends with absorption. Correct answer, B. Digestive system. 22. What do you call animals that eat only plants? A. Carnivores. B. Omnivores. C. Herbivores. Think of cows, deer, and rabbits. Correct answer, C. Herbivores. 23. Which type of energy comes from the sun? A. Geothermal. B. Solar. C. Chemical. It lights and heats the body. Solar. 24. Which human organ is most responsible for filtering toxins? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. It helps detox after medications or alcohol. Correct answer, B. Liver. 25. What causes tides in Earth's oceans? A. Earth's rotation. B. The moon's gravity. C. Solar radiation. It pulls on the water. B. The moon's gravity. 26. What is the process of liquid turning into solid? A. Melting. B. Freezing. C. Boiling. It's how water becomes ice. Freezing. 27. Which of the following is not a state of matter? A. Liquid. B. Gas. C. Light. This one isn't made of particles. Correct answer, C. Light. 28. What gas do humans exhale? A. Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. C. Nitrogen. It's what plants need. 29. Which metal is most common electrical wiring? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Aluminum. It's a great conductor. B. Copper. 30. What organ allows you to hear sound? A. Eyes. B. Nose. C. Ears. It catches vibrations in the air. C. Ears. 31. What does DNA stand for? Nerve alignment. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. C. Dynamic nucleus agent. It carries your genetic code. Cancer. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. 32. What does a plant need for photosynthesis besides sunlight and carbon dioxide? A. Oxygen. B. Water. C. Sugar. They soak it up from the roots. Correct answer, B. Water. 33. Which of the following planets is a gas giant? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. C. Jupiter. 34. What is the basic unit of a chemical element? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Cell. It's the starting point for everything. A. Atom. 35. What tool is used to measure wind speed? A. Anemometer. B. Thermometer. C. Seismograph. It spins when the breeze blows. Correct answer, 36. Which part of the human body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. It helps control blood sugar levels. 37. What is the most abundant element in the universe? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Hydrogen. It powers star. C. Hydrogen. 38. What is the purpose of a fuse in an electrical circuit? A. Store energy. B. Cool wires. C. Prevent overheating. It breaks the circuit if there's too much current. Correct answer. Arhika 39. Which part of a plant anchors it to the ground? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Roots. They dig deep and drink up. It's 40. Which blood type is the universal donor? A. AB. B. O negative. C. A positive. It can be given to almost anyone. Correct answer. O negative, amazing work. You've now mastered 40 powerful science questions. Every question builds your brain and your future. Every answer brings you closer to your dream score on the 2025 ASVAB. Let's keep the learning going. But first, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for more slow, smart, and simple ASVAB prep.